Oh, downspout honey, you know when you were born the doctor said you were the happiest looking baby he'd ever seen. But of course that was my victory day. The fruition of my deeply laid plans to escape from that, because it ovarian. Bastille. Return the device, woman. Oh,
No
Peter,
toy,
look at your
son.
son. He is planning world Very domination well then, again. Mark my words. Lois, when leave you the least boy expect alone. it, he is Your just albums
playing
with his
will.
plastic blocks. He called me a vile woman, Peter. He literally wants to destroy us all. Relax, honey, it is just a phase. Every baby wants to take over the world at some point. Look at Chris. Shut up.
He wanted to
Chris.
be a dinosaur until he
Nobody
was 12.
asked you. Go back to your room and think about your life choices. See? Family dinner is completely normal. Now pass the mashed potatoes before I lose my mind. Television. You dare threaten me with the loss of the idiot box. That is it. The countdown has officially begun. Oh, Peter, he is doing that creepy laugh again. Do something. Fine, fine. Hey Stewie, look at this shiny spoon. Look at the spoon. What? No. A silver object cannot defeat my superior intellect. Put that away. Works every time. The spoon never fails to save the day. This is a temporary setback, fat man. I shall return stronger and more dangerous than ever. Yes, yes, whatever you say, buddy. Now let us all finish this dinner in peace. Wait a minute, what is that noise coming from the kitchen? Is Meg back? Nobody cares about Meg, Peter. Just finish your chicken. Hey guys, I am right here. I have been sitting at the table the whole time. Shut up, Meg. Go back to the kitchen and bring some juice. This family is completely dysfunctional. I cannot believe I share DNA with you people. Oh, quiet down everyone, let us enjoy this beautiful evening. Victory shall be mine. Mark my words, this entire house will bow down to me very soon. Okay Stewie, time for bed. No more world domination plans for today. Unhand me, woman. The revolution has just begun. You cannot stop the future. Make sure to follow for more epic moments and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you next time.
ये सारे के सिंगल वीडियो है ये आगे चलता जा ये आगे चलता जा